kaya ng mga tao ang ilan sa mga funny facts sa country nila? Alamin natin sabay-sabay dito sa ating What You Need to Know segment number 9 ang 12 funny facts about vehicle insurance worldwide. Number 1. In the UK, it's illegal to drive a dirty car. If the police deem your car to be too dirty, they can issue you a fine of up to 1,000 euros. In number 2, in some other countries, car insurance premiums are determined by the color of your car. Example sa Nigeria, red cars are believed to be more accident-prone and are charged higher premiums. Number 3, alam mo ba na may type of insurance called alien abduction insurance? This type of insurance is available in the US and UK and will pay out a lump sum if ever you get abducted by aliens. Number 4, in some other countries such as Italy, it is mandatory to have insurance for your bicycle. Number 5, in Australia, some car insurance policies cover damages caused by kangaroos. This is because kangaroo collisions are a common problem on Australian roads. Number 6, in the 1920s, it was common for insurance companies to refuse coverage to women drivers because they were considered to be too emotionally unstable to drive safely. Number 7, sa Japan, some insurance companies offer ghost insurance. This type of insurance covers damages caused by ghosts or other supernatural entities. Number 8, in Russia, you must carry a fire extinguisher in your car at all times in order to obtain car insurance. Number 9, sa United States, some car insurance companies offer a discount for drivers who are married. This is because studies have shown that married individuals are generally safer drivers than single individuals. Number 10, one insurance company in the UK offers karaoke insurance where you can claim for damage to your car caused by singing too loudly in it. Number 11, in Japan, some insurers offer idiot insurance policies which provide coverage for drivers who make mistakes such as putting diesel fuel in a gasoline car or driving on the wrong side of the road. And lastly, number 12, in the United States, some car insurance companies offer a discount to drivers who are bald, as studies have shown that bald men are less likely to get into accidents. And that's it! Dito kaya sa Pilipinas, ano kaya ang mga funny facts about vehicle insurance? Comment down below kung meron kayong alam. Na-deny ba ang vehicle accident claim nyo? Make sure to write an appeal letter to the insurance company para maayos mo ang claims mo. Dito sa ating What You Need to Know segment number 10, ito ang mga steps sa pagsulat ng maayos na appeal letter. Number 1, state the reason for your appeal and the reason why you believe the claim was wrongly rejected. Number 2, provide additional evidence. Provide any new documentation or information na sumusuporta sa claim mo. Number 3, explain why the denial was wrong. Magbigay ng specific details and explain how the evidence you are presenting supports your claim. Number 4, be respectful and professional even if you are frustrated or upset with the insurance company's decision. Iwasang gumamit ng mga pananalita na napapagsiklap o nag-aakusa. Number 5, end your letter by requesting a response from the insurance company. Ask for a specific timeline for when you can expect a response and provide your contact information so that they can get in touch with you. Tandaan, ang layunin ng iyong pagsulat ng apela ay kumbinsihin ang insurance company na muling isaalang-alang ang kanilang desisyon at aprubahan ang iyong claims. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpakita ng bagong ebidensya at pagpagawa ng mapahikayat na argumento, maaari mong matagumpay na iapela ang denial ng inyong claims. And that's it! Sana ay makatulong po ito sa inyo. And kung wala ka pang car insurance, mag-message dito para sa libre quotation.
All is well, all